Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find a missing S Pen on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To find your S Pen Pro, open the SmartThings app on your phone. Tap the Life tab, then select the Find card. You will see a list of connected devices. Tap on your S Pen Pro. Next, tap Refresh to update its current or last known location. If a location is available, it will appear on the map. You can then tap Navigate to get directions and help you reach the location where the S Pen was last detected. If you are using the standard built-in S Pen, there is no tracking feature available. However, Samsung offers a helpful setting that can prevent future loss. Open the Settings app and go to Advanced Features. Tap S Pen, then select More S Pen Settings. Turn on the option called Warn if S Pen is left behind. With this feature enabled, your Galaxy S25 Ultra will alert you if you walk away without placing the S Pen back into the phone while the screen is off. The warning notification can help you notice immediately when the pen has been left behind. Thanks for watching.